Hello there po mga kabatak. In this video, I will show you po on how to send credit mobile balance po. Yes po mga kabatak. Even you are in abroad or even you're in Qatar. So for example, and even your family is in abroad, in other available countries here in Ooredoo Money, you can send credit balance po to their mobile phones. Yes po, napakadali lang po niyan and super easy lang po mga kabata. I will show you po on how to do it. Let's start po. So we have to open our Ooredoo Mobile Money App po. To log in mga kabatak. And after that mga kabatak, you have to go to top up. And you will top up international number mga kabatak. So you will press international number. After that mga kabatak, you will choose if you will send data balance or you will send local balance to their mobile phones. So for example, we will top up local balance. So any amount po, you can send it. Let's try po. Tap airtime top up. Then choose which country po ninyo isa-send yung credit balance. So many countries are available. Ayan po. So till Zambia, Zimbabwe, Venezuela, all you will choose the country. Which country you will send the top up. So for example, in my home Philippines, just press the numbers. So ayan po yung partner na operator po nila in the Philippines. Globe, Smart, Sun, Smart Bro. So for example, Globe Telecom. Then press the number 63916-898-0458. Ayan po mga kabatak. Then here. Ayan po, everything is here, how much you will top up. So it will start by 0.96 Qatar Riyals till 95.87 Qatar Riyals mga kabatata. So I preferred, for example, 25 pesos in our country and here 2.40 Qatar Riyals. So it's just a trial. We will just check mga kabata. So let's make it 30 pesos in our country. So it means it will be 2.88 Qatar Riyals here. So double check the mobile number 0916-898-0458. Exchange rate 30 pesos, Qatar Riyal 2.88. And mga kabatak, always remember po, it's 0 Qatar Riyal fees po. So no fees po na madideduct sa money po ninyo sa Ooredoo. So mga kabatak, always remember po, ayan, there is 0 Qatar fees. So no fees po mga kabatak yung transaction na ito. And we have to confirm. And you have to enter the 4-digit code. It's in the message here. Ayan mga kabatak. 0186. Then tap this arrow. Remember mga kabatak na yung 4-digit code po, Ooredoo will send it to you through message po. So the airtime is updated. Your Ooredoo mobile balance is updated po. The amount paid, mobile number, and transaction ID is already here. So means it's okay na po. You have to call only your family in the Philippines or your family in the other country. You have to double check po or like that. If they already received the airtime top up na ginawa nyo po. So ganyan lang po kabilis at ka-easy mga kabatak. It's dyan mga kabatak. So easy po talaga mag-send ng credit balance sa mobile phone ng ating mga kapamilya. Kaya ano pa pong hinihintay nyo? Just press the button po and download the Ooredoo Mobile Money App po now. Salamat po sa pagsuporta and sana po you will be in my next video. See you around!